Ladies and gentlemen, here comes another yummy series.
Hello lovelies, on today's menu we have Nkwobi, also known as spicy cow foot. It's a special native delicacy. If you love cow leg, this is something you are going to love, and you need few ingredients to prepare this delicacy. It's absolutely finger-licking good. Please click the like button and subscribe if you have not done that. Thank you, and let's start cooking. To make this recipe, I've got my cooked cow leg. Cow leg is what you use for Nkwobi and is very difficult to boil. It can take as much as 3 to 4 hours before it becomes soft. You can use pressure cooker if you have one. It makes the cooking process shorter. Please take note, while cooking your cow leg, make sure the water dries so that all the spices will enter inside the meat. And also, do not add so much salt and seasoning because you are going to make sauce which will contain seasoning. So be very careful on how you add seasonings. This step is optional. I will cut the cow leg into bite sizes and take away the chunky bones. You can skip this if you want all the bones. Once that is done, next I will prepare my ungo by adding water and allow it to settle before sieving it. You can use edible potash because it does the same job. Over here are the rest of my ingredients: palm oil, grounded crayfish, ehuru, Cameroon pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onions, baby spinach or utazi for garnishing, ugba, seasoning cubes and salt to taste. The next step is to make sauce for our Nkwobi. In my pot, I will go in with my palm oil. Next, I will gradually add my sieved ungo. I will mix to combine. As you can see, the palm oil has changed to orange. That is totally fine. Next, I will go in with my chopped onions, scotch bonnet pepper, grounded crayfish, Cameroon pepper, grounded ehuru, seasoning cubes, salt, and ugba. I will mix properly.
Delicious.
Once that is done, next I will go in with my cooked cow leg. I will add some of the chopped baby spinach. You can add your utazi this time. I will mix, making sure that everything is well combined. Next, I will warm it up, and that is it for today's video. This delicacy goes well with palm wine or beer. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Share this video with your friends and families. Thank you, and always be positive. And see you in our next video. Bye guys.